What's going on, guys? TNT Anglers back with another video. I noticed that I didn't record an intro for the video that you're about to watch. So I just wanted to update you guys with a couple things. We're finally done with school for the summer, so the videos are going to be flowing like they were last year. We already recorded like 3, I just got to edit them. And I'm here with my roommate Justin at a pond near where we live, and we're about to record another video in the kayaks. So hopefully we can do good today, and you'll be seeing this video later. But for this video, I used the Bandito Bug pretty much the entire time, so it was just kind of like it was my first time using the Googan Baits, so I just wanted to like see how they would work at this farm pond. And me and my friend ended up doing pretty good there. So there's a lot of catches. I actually didn't include all the fish catches because we caught so many, but there's enough there. So I hope you guys enjoy, and leave a like on that video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. If you want what I got, you can put one on.
Yeah, I think I'm going to.
I mean, that's back-to-back hits.
They ain't feeling the chatter.
I mean, this is all I've been catching them on. I literally didn't switch my bait once today, earlier. All right, guys, there's first fish. Using this Bandito Bug. I forget what color this is, but this is from Googan Baits, the Bandito Bug. Probably one of the best baits on the market right now, honestly. But me and Chance just got down here, and this was like my second cast, so I just lost a big one, so the bite seems to be on. Chance casted his chatterbait up, and 2 of them followed it into the bank, and then I just pretty much sight fished that one. Yep, he's got it right now. Come here, red lips. Look, he's going on a date tonight. Look, got that. That's not a bad fish. It's probably around pound and a half. There we go. Off this little bush. I'm gonna just go ahead and call it right now. Might be a little too shallow. What did I say? Dang, dude, these fish fight hard. There we go, another average sized fish on that bug. Nice. It's a big fish. Bro, that's the key. We get them out of the shallow and then cast on them, twitch it a few times, and then they hit it. Another chunky fish. No, that's what I'm using now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because
Because I'm out of the Bandito Bug now.
I thought that just broke off.
Chance. No, you ain't going down. Come here.
You just said, oh look, they caught another fish.
Yep, I knew it, dude. Dude, he still didn't swim out. There he goes, catch right there, catch right there. I brought him out to you. He's right there. Here, I got him. What is... Oh, that one came clear out from the reefs to eat it. Did you see that? Look, he's on there. He's on there. That was sick. They are shallow, dude. That was sick. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yep. Come up here.
Trying.
All right, there's another one. I literally saw it come way back in them cattails, and I knew he was on it. So there we go. I don't even know. This is probably like my 6th or 7th, if I had to guess, but we're straight slaying.